Diwali nalvalthukal. Oh my god, I'm butchering it. Oh my god. So when it comes to Tamil, I know underblock Tamil like, day, machan, eprida irukku? Saaptiya? Thoomniya? என்ன பண்ற இப்ப? இப்ப recently Sabrina Isabelle ஓட வீடியோ பாத்தியா? இப்ப கிளிக் பண்ணி லைக் பண்ணி subscribe பண்ணு. That is not elegant and that is not professional at all. I hate it. I'm gonna cry. Okay. What's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. A little history if you guys do not know me and the first time you're in my channel. My dad is an Indian, my mom is a Eurasian. So my dad passed away when I was 8 years old, and second language for me, Tamil, wasn't like a very important language for me because I grew up learning how to speak English. So it's Diwali time, and Diwali is all about festival of light, which bring you joy and happiness to your family and to your home and your loved ones, which lights up your house and just makes it beautiful. Yeah, without any further ado, I'm going to jump into this makeup tutorial. For foundation, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 350. Absolutely amazing foundation for all these skin types. For concealer, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer in the shade 160. This is my favorite concealer. I love this concealer so much. It just covers up everything on your face and it's so lightweight and it doesn't crease underneath the eye. I'm gonna set my face with the Mercier setting powder all over my face because you want to really press in the powder and you don't want your makeup to move, so make sure you press in the powder. For contour, I'll be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the shade Earth, which really complements my skin so much. I think it's just hormones, guys, that is kicking up all those pimples on my face, because the last time that I actually had like this kind of like massive pimples on my face is when I actually was coming towards puberty, and then I actually stopped like having those pimples, and then now it's actually getting back. I had like two nasty ones right here. One decided just to pop out just before Diwali. I'm like, I think they hit me. For blush, I'll be going in with the Tarte blush, Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. This is my favorite blush. I've not stopped using this blush, guys. This blush just gives me the right amount of color to my cheeks. I don't like it to be so pink. I don't like it to be so red. I just like it to be very natural towards my skin, because what I feel when it comes to Diwali is all about being yourself and not just putting on fancy colors. Just bringing out the beauty inside of you. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the shade called Cinnamon, and this is like the best contouring shade that I have to just contour the points that I want to contour on my face. Favorite eyeliner that I'm actually owning right now that goes on very perfectly with eyeshadows, glitter eyeshadows and everything is the Benefit Roller Liner. This goes on everything so smoothly, guys. So let's say if you want to add a little bit of color towards your look, what you can do is take a highlighter, which I'm going to highlight my entire face right now. Okay, I'm using the Maybelline Chrome Metallic highlighter. Then you can put the highlighter in between your eyes right here, inner corner of your eyes, and you can look at the difference. Look at the difference as I'm looking. So if you want to play with colors, I would not recommend you guys to actually put it in the inner corner of your eyes, but smoke it out at your lower lash line. Let's say if I'm playing with blue, I'm gonna take this one from Certifeye Dynasty palette. I'm gonna pick the shade called Empress. Okay, just a little bit, and I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna go and pick up Empress. This rich purple shade right there is depending on what color saree you're actually wearing. Then for mascara, I'll be going in with the TooFaced waterproof mascara because I am not going to go ahead and put fake lashes. I'm just going to use my natural lashes and work this Diwali because it's a bit tedious with fake lashes. So I'm going to use natural lashes, guys. For mascara, I'll be going in with the Too Faced waterproof mascara. For lips, you can go for any color. I'm actually going to go ahead and wear red lipstick because I have a red top. I'm going to go ahead and mix Sephora lip cream in the shade 96. And then going in with the Milani lipstick in the shade I Am Fabulous. Of course, always. And we are done, guys. Go ahead and spritz our face. I'm going to go in with the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water. This is my favorite, guys.